Uh, Baiklah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I would like to thanks to Allah that has given us everything so this time we can be here and do our activity. And thank you for coming to this presentation. I am glad to see you all. Today we are going to discuss about simple past tense, but firstly, I would like to introduce ourselves. I am Putri Fauzia. In here, I am as a moderator, and the next there is a Fuji. She is as a speaker one. The next Fanny as speaker two. Next Aza as speaker three, and the last there is a Suchi as speaker four. Okay. Okay, I want to talk too much. The next step, we will be presented by speaker one. Is Fuji, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. First, definition of simple past tense. The simple past tense is often used with an adverbial phrase that specifies a time in the past, such as yesterday, last year, or an hour ago, according to complete English grammar rules. The simple past tense of regular verbs is marked by the ending D or ED. Irregular verbs have a variety of endings. The simple past is not accompanied by helping verbs. An example of a simple past tense verb used in a sentence would be, I went to the park. The speaker completed their action of going to the park. So you use the verb go in the simple past tense. Note how this example use an irregular verb but in the past simple, which can be a bit confusing until you understand the rules for using this verb. That's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thanks for Fuji. For the second speaker is Fanny. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Now, I will explain the next material about the function of simple past tense. In use, the simple past tense has several functions. The first function is to explain events in the past and have been completed at a specified time. For example, I saw a movie yesterday. I didn't see a play yesterday. Last year, I traveled to Japan. The second function is past tense is also used to describe several events that have been done in the past. Usually, the events are carried out in sequence. Can consider the following examples. Mr. John finished work, walked to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Jen arrived from the airport at 8 o'clock, checked into the hotel at 9 o'clock, and met the others at 10 o'clock. The next function, the past tense is also used to describe events that began and ended in the past and usually have a duration. Words that are widely used are from 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all year, and others. Example, Bambang studied English for 5 years. They sleep in my room all day. The last function is the past tense can be used to tell a habit that has been done in the past and is not done again in the present. The example, she played the violin. Gio didn't play the piano. Okay, thank you. That's material from me. I back to moderator.
Thanks for Fanny. The next speaker is Aza. Time is yours.
Thank you to moderator, and I will explain about the use of the simple past tense. The simple past is used to talk about action or situation in the past. It is also called past simple. Number one, action means or repeat. Example, I visit Berlin last week. Until we started my parents are allowed junk food when they were young. Number two, set of complete the action in example. First, I got up, then I had breakfast. On Sunday, my brother and I went to night walk. Number three, together with us progressive or continuous. The simple past an action which was in progress in the past. Example, they were playing cards when the telephone rang. And this all from me. Back to moderator.
For the last speaker is Suci. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Next characteristic of the simple past tense. First, using a time statement that shows an activity that was carried out in the past, such as yesterday, last, ago, and just now. Second, the event is over. Third, using the verb to. It can be a regular verb or an irregular verb. Last, doesn't use modal and affixes in the verb. Simple past tense formulation. In positive sentence, the formulation is subject plus verb to. Example, she joined the English club class at school yesterday. In negative sentence, the formulation is subject plus didn't plus verb. Example, I didn't sleep well last night. In interrogative sentence, the formulation is did plus subject plus verb 1, question word, plus did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did they allow you to join their English club? Okay, that's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thank you for Suci. Okay, that is our presentation today. If there is apologies, thank you very much for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.